The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive combination of power, portability, and performance, ideal for both urban commuting and recreational rides. With its robust 48V 20AH removable battery, this e-bike is designed to deliver an exhilarating experience, promising speeds of over 30 miles per hour and a remarkable maximum range of 80 miles on a single charge. This review will delve deep into the features, performance, build quality, and overall value of this electric bike. Design and build quality. One of the standout characteristics of this electric bike is its folding design. Weighing in at a reasonable amount, it becomes a highly portable solution that can be easily stowed away in small spaces, making it perfect for apartment dwellers or those with limited storage options. The frame feels sturdy, constructed from high-quality materials that lend both durability and a lightweight feel. The folding mechanism is intuitive and secure, allowing you to transition from a riding to a stowed position in mere moments. The bike is aesthetically pleasing, available in several color options that cater to varied tastes. The overall design is sleek and modern, and the attention to detail is commendable. Features such as integrated LED lights enhance safety during nighttime rides, while the rear reflector adds an extra layer of visibility. Performance and riding experience. Equipped with a powerful 1000W motor, this electric bike offers an exhilarating riding experience. The motor's responsiveness is impressive. It provides immediate torque and acceleration, making it easy to tackle inclines or navigate through crowded city streets. The bike feels stable and well balanced at higher speeds, which is crucial for rider safety. The ability to reach speeds of 30+MPH is exhilarating and may be better suited for experienced riders. For those who prefer a more leisurely pace, the bike features multiple pedal assist levels, allowing users to customize their experience based on personal preference and terrain. This versatility makes it suitable for various riding conditions, whether you're weaving through traffic or enjoying a scenic ride on a bike path. Another noteworthy aspect is the bike's impressive range. With the potential to travel up to 80 miles on a single charge, this e-bike makes long-distance commuting a breeze. The removable battery is a significant plus, allowing for convenient charging, either on or off the bike. The battery's capacity ensures that even during extended rides, you won't have to worry about running out of juice halfway through your journey. Comfort and features. Comfort is a vital aspect of any bike, and the 1000W folding electric bike does not disappoint. The padded saddle is designed for long rides, reducing strain on the rider's backside. The adjustable seat height and handlebars allow for a customized fit, accommodating riders of different heights and preferences. Furthermore, the bike features front and rear suspension systems that significantly enhance ride quality by absorbing shocks from rough terrain. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who may find themselves traversing potholes or uneven surfaces, as it allows for a smoother experience. The bike's LCD display is another valuable addition, providing real-time information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and pedal assist mode. This feature helps riders keep track of their performance and plan their journeys efficiently. Value for money. When considering the price point of the 1000W folding electric bike, it provides substantial value for the features and performance it offers. Competing models in the electric bike market often come with similar specifications but at a higher cost, making this bike an appealing option for budget-conscious consumers. Additionally, the versatility of the bike, offering both electric and pedal assist modes, makes it a cost-effective transportation solution. Riders can save on gas, parking fees, and other transportation costs, while also contributing to a greener environment. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable choice for those seeking a powerful, portable, and versatile e-bike. It excels in performance with its robust motor and impressive range, while the folding design and build quality enhance its appeal for urban commuters and leisure riders alike. With its comfortable ride, intuitive